Hey guys, Ryan here, co-owner of my fertilizing company. I made a little video to help you learn how to register our customer assistant website. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go up to your search bar and you're going to go www.myfert.com. See, this redirects you to myfertilizingcompany.com. Myfert.com is just a little bit easier to remember and quicker to type. So moving forward, you can see that there's a login button up in the upper right-hand corner, and you can see a button down here that says click here to pay online. Either one is fine to click to log in or ever get into your customer assistant website. We're just going to click the login button in the upper right-hand corner for now. As you can see, this takes you to our login page. In the upper right-hand corner, you can see this is where you would typically log in. You'd put your email address here, your password, and click login. But since we're creating an account, we're going to click the button below that says create a login. So we're going to click that, and all of a sudden you see it ask for some information. So right here, you're going to put your customer number. This is a number, this is your account number that we provide you. So for this account number, it's 235968. Right here, it's asking for the house or street number only. This is where people make the mistake. So right here, you're going to use your address, but you're only going to use the number, not the street name. So for this account, it's 22016. And the last part is the zip code. You put your zip code. And then actually, this is the last part. You put your email address. And this guy is alanawesimo@yahoo.com. You hit submit. You can see that there was an email sent. So we're going to open up our email. Going over here, open the email. You might need to refresh your page. And there it is. If you don't see it within like a minute or two, it's a good habit to check your spam, but typically it doesn't go there. So we're going to open up the email. You see there's a link. It says, thank you for registering. Here's the registration info. You're going to click this link right here. Opens up a new page. Now it's going to ask you to create a password. You got to type in the same password 2 times. All right, we're going to hit submit. All right, it says your login has been created. So you hit close and you're in. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We have another video that kind of goes over a complete overview of the customer assistant website. So, if you'd like to watch that, look for that video. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Bye.